Hi there, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am super excited to invite you to my brand new Doodles workshop. I only offer a Doodles workshop a couple times a year, and since we're in 2022 now, I have completely revamped it. It's brand new, and I cannot wait for you to join me. You just need to enroll in order to grab your spot, and it starts on May 9th, which is right around the corner. So let me show you now how you can go ahead and enroll. The enrollment link is members.artwithann.com/doodles, but I'm actually going to show you exactly what that looks like and then how to click through to grab your seat so you actually know what the thank you page looks like when you've completed the process. So let's do that now. When you put in members.artwithann.com/doodles, you land on a page that looks like this. And this is a brand new free workshop that starts on May 9th. And to grab your seat, all you need to do is put your name and your email right up here. Do you see where my cursor is here up at the top? And then don't forget to click this red button that will reserve your seat. Now, let me scroll down just a little bit so that you can see and make sure that this workshop is for you. And it's for you if you've always dreamed of putting your artwork on fabric or creating your own line of stationery products, or really if you want to put your artwork out into the world to ensure that you're creating a legacy for future generations to enjoy. Now, there are 4 parts to this workshop. It all starts on May 9th with what is surface design. Then the next day, on May 10th, we talk about your path to success. The day after that, on May 11th, we'll cover key milestones. And then on May 12th, we'll cover the road ahead. And I also will be opening enrollment to my Pattern Design Academy 10-week signature program. And enrollment will open on the 12th. So imagine for a minute putting your artwork on fabric. These are some of my fabrics you see in this photo here. And then, of course, I also love all things paper. And so here are some examples of my wrapping papers. So you can read more of fantastic testimonials from students who've taken the program in the past. And I don't want you to miss it. So make sure that you actually reserve your seat by either doing that down here and or scrolling back up to the top and doing it at the very, very top. Now I'm going to put in my name and I'm going to hit the reserve my seat button so that you can see what happens when you land on the thank you page. It says, thank you for signing up for Doodles. The free workshop runs from May 9th to the 17th. And then here are just a couple of quick next steps. The first is I want to make sure you check your email and confirm your subscription. Now, this can be confusing because some people think that a subscription means they're paying for something, but this is totally free. This just is my way to ensure that you really want to get the emails I'm going to be sending that have the videos that are part of the workshop in them. So make sure you check your spam folder. Frequently, the first time you get an email from me, it will be hiding in your spam or your junk folder. And so that's the first thing you need to do. Then the second thing is please come join our free Facebook group. I'm going to be holding Q&As every single day inside the Facebook group so that I can answer your questions and recover some of the material. So you'll click here to join that group. And then if you'd like to share this with a friend and have an accountability partner go through the workshop with you, just grab this link, this https members.artwithann.com/doodle. You can just copy this and send it to a friend. And that's it. I cannot wait to see you on May 9th. I hope you'll join me in Doodles. Make sure you go to members.artwithann.com/doodles to grab your seat. And I always like to say in closing that I am Anna Follett, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you in Doodles, which starts next week.